So, you want to become a billionaire, huh? Well, let's be real, it's not going to be easy. Out of the 8 billion people on this planet, only 2,668 can call themselves billionaires. Together, they hold over $12.7 trillion in wealth. And of those, fewer than 2,000 are considered self-made. But let's be honest, some self-made stories are as shaky as an FTX balance sheet. About a third of the world's billionaires inherited part of their fortune, so being born into the right family gives you a head start. Still, there are plenty of genuinely self-made billionaires, and while the odds are stacked against you, it's not impossible. If you're born in the US or China, you're already in good company. About half of the world's billionaires come from these two countries. In fact, 724 billionaires live in the US, and 628 of them were born there. For context, you can count Canadian billionaires on two hands. The disparities continue, as only 10% of billionaires are women. But don't let those stats get you down. It's not about who you are, it's about what you do. So, how do you start? Becoming a billionaire is tough. Even Mark Cuban admitted that if he had to start over, he's not sure he could reach billionaire status again. It takes a whole lot of luck. Sure, winning the lottery would give you a huge head start, but your odds of hitting the jackpot are around 1 in 300 million. In fact, you're more likely to get struck by a meteorite than win big. Some turn to gambling, hoping to quintuple their money in Vegas, but that's not a reliable strategy either. Even if you manage to clean out a casino, you'd still be far from the billion-dollar mark. Maybe treasure hunting is more your style. Shipwrecks with billions in gold have been found, but those discoveries often lead to disputes over who gets the loot. If you prefer something less adventurous, the metals and mining industry has created fortunes for 15 of the top 100 billionaires. Find a diamond like the legendary Cullinan, and you might be on your way. Not into digging for treasure. Try professional sports. But out of every pro athlete, fewer than 10 have earned over $1 billion, including names like Ronaldo, Federer, and Mayweather. If sports isn't your game, finance might be. Around 15% of billionaires made their money through investing, with Warren Buffett leading the pack. But if you're aiming for billionaire status, you'll need more than just good timing. You'll need to invest early, long before anyone else catches on. Or maybe you're into tech. The global video game market is worth over $220 billion, and it's still growing. Tim Sweeney, the founder of Epic Games, turned Fortnite into a billion-dollar empire, pulling in over $5 billion annually. If you're feeling more futuristic, asteroid mining could be the next gold rush. There are untold riches waiting in space, and billionaires like Elon Musk are already preparing to cash in.
Prefer the virtual world? The metaverse is exploding with opportunities. Just look at Artifact, a digital fashion brand that sold to Nike for over $1 billion. Or take a cue from the creators of the Slinky, who turned a simple toy into a multi-billion-dollar business. Want a guaranteed path to riches? Solve a global problem. Whether it's creating a new alternative to plastic or finding a limitless energy source, if you can fix a worldwide issue, the money will follow. In the end, there are countless ways to reach the billion-dollar mark, but it takes a mix of hard work, persistence, and a little bit of luck. The road won't be easy, but if you stay hungry and driven, anything's possible. So, do you have a billion-dollar idea? Let me know in the comments. You never know, the world's next billionaire might be watching this video right now.